Hello, my name is Catherine Savage, and today we are going to discuss anaerobic digesters and how they work. What are anaerobic digesters? Anaerobic digesters are a form of waste storage, much like a slurry store. The term anaerobic means without oxygen, and this lack of oxygen helps certain bacteria convert the waste into methane. That methane is collected and sent through an engine that turns methane into electricity. That electricity is then sold to power companies. This whole process usually takes under 20 days to complete. Here is an image of the entire process. Here at the beginning we can see that food waste and manure is added to a sealed digestion tank. In that tank, all the waste is mixed together. And since the tank is sealed, there is no oxygen. This lack of oxygen allows the bacteria within it to convert the waste into methane. Methane, or biogas, is released from this fluid and is put through a gas turbine. That gas turbine lets off heat and creates electricity. Any material left over at the end is rich in nutrients, and the farmer can use it as fertilizer to put on their fields. Agriculture is known to contribute nearly 9% of greenhouse gas emissions, and with each cow producing about 120 pounds of manure per day, anaerobic digesters are a great way to help reduce our carbon footprint. Methane has a lot of power to give for electricity. Methane is 25 times more powerful than carbon dioxide. In fact, for every 2 cows worth of waste in an anaerobic digester, it is similar to taking a car off the road every year. The Vanderheck Dairy is the farm that this entire case study was circled around. Vanderheck Dairy installed the first anaerobic digester in Washington in the year 2004. Vanderheck Dairy Farm has a total of 1,000 head of livestock between adult and young stock. These 1,000 head of animals can provide electricity to nearly 400 homes every single year. Although the anaerobic digesters can be very costly, costing nearly $2,000 per cow, the farmer does receive an income from the anaerobic digesters. The biggest form of that income is from selling the electricity to local power plants. For reducing greenhouse gas emissions, many farmers receive carbon credits for their efforts. Finally, many farmers receive food waste from local restaurants to add into the digester. In conclusion, anaerobic digesters seal out oxygen so bacteria can convert waste into methane. The methane is collected and sent through an engine where its energy is turned into electricity. For every 2 cows worth of waste, it's like taking 1 car off of the road. Although very costly, a farm can receive some money back from selling the electricity that comes from the power of the methane.